Vivo has a very young workforce which is very energetic and passionate. And I love that fact about our Vivo.
You're surrounded by very smart, very bright people who bring an amazing drive to the table.
Where your efforts gets appreciated and your opinions are valued.
The level of ownership and the sense of responsibility that I get here has evolved me as a person.
Hello everyone, at iVivo Group, we love transactions. Our mission is to enable trusted transactions between millions of sellers and millions of buyers in India. 8 on 10 transactions should be processed by us in the country. When I meet people and they tell me, you know what, we use your payment system and it helped us to increase our conversions. Or you know what, I just bought an air ticket on Go iVivo and I saved money. For me, that is the biggest high.
As there is no dress code, I'm loving working here.
ये धोखा कब हुआ?
एक दिन बुकिंग एयरलाइन का कैंसिल हुआ, रिफंड के बदले ये दिया।
और ये
4 स्टार रूम बुक किया था, एक भी स्टार नहीं दिखा, विंडोलेस रूम था।
और ये
बस बुकिंग की थी, 3 घंटे से बस नहीं आई, अब बस हो गया।
तुम लोग बार बार ऐसे धोखे क्यों खाते हो?
तो ऑप्शन ही क्या है?
goibibo.com है ना, for flights, hotels and buses.
नो धोखा?
Only भरोसा।
Being part of a fastest growing travel portal in the country has got its own set of challenges and fun. We are of course very hungry for success, but I keep saying this to my colleagues that it's also very important that the hunger should not be with you alone. It should be with the market also. Your market should be hungry for the new innovations that you are bringing out in the product that you're giving out. We pride ourselves in saying that I think we have created one of the most superior products technologically, which is much better than anybody else in competition in the country, and something which is, I think, at international levels.
We ensure we make every experience, even the most mundane, into a memorable one for the customer, so they have ample reasons to turn back to us again.
And which is why Go iVivo has shown a triple-digit growth year on year, whereas the travel industry has been in a lull for the last 3 years. The work culture that we have created internally in Go iVivo is something which is young, which is restless, and beyond all that is entrepreneurist.
PayU India today is the best payment gateway in the market. We want to be the most secure, most affordable, most convenient, and the most trusted payments brand in India, both in the mind of a seller as well as a buyer.
Redefining our limits each day by undertaking new challenges in our stride.
I guess Traders is changing the way customers conduct online transactions in India by launching India's first location-based digital commerce platform. Connecting buyers and sellers who are close to each other. We are a growing company that offers excellent opportunities for folks who want to actually make a mark for themselves in a fast-paced, fun-loving, growing environment.
Closer proximity to the seller will not only decrease the delivery time, but will also lower the cost. Imagine you can get a mobile phone by ordering it in the morning and receiving it at your doorstep in the evening.
Ibibo Ads is an ad network which provides online marketing solutions to all its advertisers and drives transactions for its e-commerce partners. We execute these campaigns through display ads, retargeting, advanced meta search platforms, and a huge affiliate network. I can proudly say that in a short span of time, Ibibo Ads has become one of the leading ad networks in the country. And we could achieve this only because of a young, vibrant and energetic team at Ibibo Ads.
Working at Ibibo Ads is doing what you love. A place where you explore, execute and learn new things every day.
Undoubtedly one of the best places to work. Focused, energetic and passionate towards work, but yet fun-loving and very creative. Every moment we say, I'm loving it.
Hi guys, Gaadi is amongst the top 3 auto portals in India today. We are an online marketplace that brings together both car buyers and car sellers on a single platform. We are the best site in the country as far as road tests, reviews, comparison tools, pricing information is concerned. On the used car side, we help either car dealers or individuals wanting to sell a car meet people who want to buy a used car. We are actually the #1 as far as taking used car dealers and helping them adopt the online medium is concerned.
Working at Gaadi.com is nothing short of a roller coaster ride.
We constantly keep talking about new ideas, we constantly keep innovating in the way we do things, and that I think forms the core of what we drive at Gaadi.com.
I love organization structure and open door policy.
It feels great to be a part of such a young, energetic and positive team.
At Ibibo Group, we feel proud that we've been able to create everything from scratch. And we've been able to do so by actually attracting entrepreneurs and not just employees. I think today's date, I can say this with pride that Ibibo Group has become a magnet to create entrepreneurs and to build entrepreneurs, and not just to build things, but also to scale things.